Hi guys, dito nyo malalaman kung kasama yung inyong Triumph Trident 660 or Triumph Tiger 660 sa safety recall ni Triumph Motorcycles. Pupunta lang kayo dito sa Triumph Motorcycles /owners/recalls. Pagkapunta nyo dyan, dito, enter nyo yung VIN number. VIN number is yung chassis number nyo dito sa Philippines. Search. Then, makikita nyo kaagad, you have one outstanding recall. Sa safety recall na to, ang nangyayari, yung engine bigla na lang namamatay. Kaya it's a risk. Once makita nyo na kasama kayo sa safety recall, punta kaagad kayo sa nearest Triumph dealership nyo. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Let's go! Morning. Recall. Thank you.
8,000 kilometers na?
8 yata.
So usually at 16,000 tayo nagpapalit ng air filter.
Okay.
So kasi dito wala siyang oil. But you check here.
Okay.
So meron na siyang oil. Ang mangyayari niyan when the engine heats up. Siyempre ano yung oil na magkakaroon siya ng fumes. Nadi-distill usually. And then pumapasok sa anong siding sa ito yung speaker. Ito yung sinaka. Ayan. So, basically, dito sa kabilang side, wala pa namang langis. Let's try spraying it with the cleaner. Yeah, malinis pa siya. So that's basically what we're doing now until the kids come in hanggang sa dumating sila. So ano nangyayari, di ba meron tayong regulator dito, that's that. You can see this has a very small hole and then this has a needle hole na yan yung nagre-regulate ng air na binabasa ng map sensor. So if oil from there gets into here, makyat into the map sensor, yun yung magkakos ng stall. Yeah, medyo madumi na rin siya. So what we can do is, we can clean, see this deposit here. So yan. Yun yung difference, no? Yung oil na nakukuha from the environment. The filter can only do so much as tanggalin niya yung mga airborne particles. Pero the oily air na pumapasok, yun ang hindi niya kaya. So ngayon, pagdating ng new kits, none of the oil can actually go into the map sensor kasi magkakaroon na siya ng drain.
Okay.
And then the regulator would be after the drain. So that means tama pa rin yung magiging basa ng map sensor. And then the drain will be serviced every time na you come for service. So tatanggalin yun, lilinisin. Same as what we did now. Kasama yun sa natin, sa check-up natin. Ayun. So until the kids arrive, we'll let you know kasi you're still safe at 8,000. Ang kinakatakot namin are the first releases. Yung mga 15,000, 10,000 paakyat going to 25,000 kasi 25,000 yung pinakamataas natin na odo as per our records. So basically, mas mataas na ngayon sigurado yun. So yun, basically cleaning lang muna yung gagawin natin and then you would feel the difference also later pagka napa-under mo na siya. Ayun, so yun. At least sa ngayon, nakita mo malinis naman, walang oil deposit, at that's basically what we're after. Makita natin yung state ng map sensor hose.
Okay guys, hindi pa daw available yung map assembly host kits para sa recall, pero ginawa nila, nag-bike health check sila. Per checking, okay pa rin daw i-ride tong si Dream ang ating motor. So pwede nyo na rin siguro ipa-check yung mga motor nyo para safe kayo pag nag-ride. Salamat for joining, stay safe, stay motivated, and keep on activating!